mwarimu munene w'esukuru ya sekondari ya Nyakiore Mr. Charles Omosa nigobono esokire na kwenekia buna nigo obotoreru wabeire bokwenekiwa kusibwairanirire esukuru eyo nigo atabiru na kurwa baibuli aborokiwa nabwigo aborokia nigo obagenderete kubwaterana egento korengana nere bono kiaretire kiairire amasomo kugendera sinjira ere engia aiga magiga ya kurobekana wakorekana amatuko aetire kusamatuka magiga asibono abaibuli banyarete korokia bunati bamuganiti wali moyo ase esukuru yo
ya Charles Omosa chief principal Nyakiore Kenya 1 High School esukuru otore buya pi discipline yarenga ya care abalimu babwate divisions otu abegente kemo abanafunzi we have been talking to them, we have counseled them. Abanafunzi we talk the same language. Bali bare ko bangamba abwati some issues bacha bakaba bana baya by doing one or two things counseling into toka nice abana school gerwe no nyoto wate problem ya staffing ko bwanayo asenge challenge ile ya grade 10 which was Kenya wide abanafunzi twanyota na barenga 200 na byo gutoiga na bari sakwa 250 against the expected capacity of 600. There is still more space. Abana bari kinka we 100% transition abayo kamura ncha asimwanu cha te abona na mangane chibesa. We have financial issues that of one school we can be able to see how to assist the child, not because of the money. Abaiboli tiamba ke nambi yamono awange baino mwasire korwe besa yo support school na geko garamoro chama gendro na renovation sigenderete na political crash mono muchumbo West Mogrango Steve Mogaka he has come out very strongly to support school ya Nyakiore. That's why Arue pass ego in place in the next 2 months or so. Esukuru to terminal renovation see and there to renovate some rooms, so we have modern laboratories asa wana wako soma managed science library osi to renovate abana ngo soma bale time the library between 8 and 9, so there's enough time abana wako soma akatu anyorange stima number 1 iwe akabuate problem ye ejiri goliko by